Ang daming tira na pagkain, guys. Yan siya. Ito pa. Laham siya. Then laham. See? Bungo. Oh. Ito din. Ano to siya? Half chicken, half laham. Meat. Hab. Mayroon pa, ha? Too much food. Ano to, manok? Ayan. Ang daming tira, ginuho ko. Ibigay ko to guys sa ano, sa nangangailangan. Still have. So, Ibirits, you give this one your friend, ha? Now, I put in the aluminum box.
Yeah, you put. I'm a table here, no?
You're busy or no?
Table not you are putting inside, and their card not go.
Ah, okay. Because if you are not busy, I need your help, but you are busy. It's okay. No problem, Kalas. I will do slowly what to do. 2, 4, 6 split. Oh my God.
Only you shifting and clean, okay?
Which one?
You all shift,
You clean this one?
Yeah, you container.
I will put only Hera. When you clean?
One you also have, no?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will.